भाऊ शाम का दीपक एक बाइट।
Thank you. Thanks a lot. How's guys a lot?
Yeah, begin.
Come. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Hi. Yeah. Come. Here.
Hey, Sanju.
15 मिनट
Come this side.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Come. Look here. Okay, thank you so much. Hi.
रिकॉर्ड
Only this, sir. Only this. Not this. Yeah. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you. Yeah, hi.
सर आज चार्ज घेतलो तुझे कंपनी
Charge घेतलो आयज. I am thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister and to the Bharatiya Janata Party for giving me this opportunity, for giving me basically 3 important portfolios where I can serve the people. because these portfolios basically are directly connected to, as far as the people are concerned. Now today I have just taken charge. I just met the head of the departments. I will brief you all after maybe a week's time because let me understand the matter fully. But there is going to be a lot of changes as far as your Mamladar's office and functioning of the Mamladar Deputy Collector and the Collector's office are concerned. It will be more friendly and more approachable, and everything will be done within a time frame. I would like to tell you.
So one more department you have in waste management.
Yeah, so that is so that is the reason I'm saying. So all the three departments which have been entrusted to me are important departments, and which are basically people-oriented departments.
So you will take a help of Michael Lupo because he was the minister of the waste management. It is a
See what I have kept an inspection tomorrow. I will be going to the site as far as that Saligao site is concerned. So let me just have a look at the site, because there are lots to be done as far as the waste management is concerned. So we will. Yeah.
Are you happy with this portfolio?
No, I'm happy. See, all the departments are important. See, and I'm happy for a simple reason that these departments are basically a direct connect as far as people is concerned. The functioning of this department will be seen as far as the people are concerned.
Because last 3 years people are affected with COVID, no, and that's a reason revenue is not generating more than.
Now let me just see as far as the revenue. Most important thing I have looked at revenue is the collectorate, the function of the collectorate department. This Munkar cases and all these things. These people are taking. It is like that Hindi film Tariq par Tariq. So now that Tariq par Tariq will stop. So we are going to look at it that within a time frame all these matters are being solved.
So how you look at Sansoda garbage issue?
No. See, as I said, no, I have still not studied the matter. So let me, maybe in a week's time, I will be able to brief you well on all the departments. Yeah? So thank you very much.